This is David Berson, and you are with?
I'm the Chief Economist at Nationwide Insurance.
I heard of those guys.
Yep, we're on your side, and we're headquartered in Columbus, Ohio.
Good, good. And how long have you been coming to our group in
I missed last year, but I think this is my fifth or sixth year.
fifth or sixth year?
Yeah, I think it's probably fifth.
And at Nationwide, what specifically do you do?
We analyze the national economy and then bring what we see happening in the national economy down to all the industries that Nationwide is in. All the property and casualty businesses, all the financial services businesses, our investment portfolio.
Okay, so now let me ask you a question. Here we are in an election year, we have midterms, we're up here, we're discussing about trade, we're discussing about tariffs, we're discussing about tax policy. Can you summarize a takeaway for people who might be interested?
My own view or the consensus? I'm not sure there is a consensus.
You can do.
here.
I don't think we have a consensus.
No, not yet.
Right.
Our view is that the economy is growing pretty well.
Tell these nice people who are crazy enough to listen to us.
So the economy is growing pretty well, and we think it will continue to grow well at an above-trend pace for at least the next year. Inflation's moving up. There's a risk there. Perhaps the Federal Reserve tightens too much, too quickly. Trade and tariffs are a concern for growth and inflation. Tariffs create what we used to call stagflation. Slower growth, higher inflation. Perhaps we will end up with lower tariffs all around. That is an ideal situation. Then the world economies, including ours, can grow faster, less inflation. But the risk is that we have higher inflation and less growth.
So one more question. Did you catch fish this week?
We caught a bunch of fish this morning.
Terrific. Now let's have them for lunch.
Excellent.
Thank
you,
you,
David.
David.